In the last two lectures, we have learnt about respiratory system and digestive system. Okay, so today we'll learn about circulatory system. So whatever notes I have shared with you, is there any doubt?
No, teacher.
All the question answers are clear for you?
Yes.
Okay. So, as a result of respiration, or okay, as a result of respiration, what is a component which our body gets?
So body get nutrients.
Okay, as after respiration, I'm asking, as a result of respiration,
Air.
which component our body gets?
Teacher, air.
So we know that in air there are so many gases. So our body is accepting all these gases, or our body require all these gases?
No, teacher, only oxygen.
Okay, so you have to specify that. Okay, after respiration, our body receives oxygen. Okay, now after digestion, what our body gets? As a result of digestion, what our body get? Nutrients. Okay, so now see, oxygen is in where? After
The lungs.
in the lungs.
Alveoli.
Okay, very good. So after respiration, in the alveoli is filled with oxygen. Now, after digestion, the nutrients is present where the complete digestion takes place?
Teacher, in stomach.
Stomach, complete
The small intestine.
intestine. Okay,
Yes,
very
the
good.
small
Very good.
intestine.
So all the nutrients which are present in our food, it is absorbed in small intestine. So oxygen is in lungs and nutrients, they are in small intestine. So is it necessary to distribute, or is it necessary to transport this oxygen and nutrients to all our body?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So see, your mommy will prepare food in the kitchen. Okay. So who will serve this food to all the family members? Who will serve?
Teacher, mother.
Mother will only serve. Okay. So like that, the nutrients and the oxygen, now it should be transported to all our body parts, because all body parts require this oxygen and this nutrients for all the processes. Okay, so who will do this duty? Whose duty is this to carry oxygen and nutrients to all over the body? Do you have any idea, any guess?
The body.
So your hand will go to lungs and take the oxygen, or your hand will go to small intestine and take the nutrients? There is
No,
someone,
teacher.
so there is someone who transport all these things to all over the body parts. Just try to answer. Yes, Bhavya, any idea? I think you have not connected to the audio. Bhavya.
Sir, our system.
Which system?
Our system, body system.
But see, in our body, there are so many systems. So among the system, one system is responsible for this work.
The nervous system.
not nervous system. See, all over your body, you can see one thing which is spread to all over your body.
The blood vessels.
Blood vessels, very good. So blood is the component which carry this oxygen and nutrients to all over the body. So this is the function of blood. Okay, so how the blood will reaches to all the body parts? See, in your building, how the water reaches to in every flats in your building, how the water reaches?
The pipe. Water pipe.
Water pipe. Okay, but there should be someone who push this or something which give force to this water to reach all the flats in your building.
It's a motor.
Motor, very good. So likewise, in our body, there is also one motor which pumps this blood so that the pumps will this blood will reach to all over the body part. Which is the motor in our body? Who pumps the
It's
blood?
a nutrition.
What?
It's a oxygen.
No, see, oxygen, this blood will carry oxygen. So there is some motor in our body which pumps this blood to transport this oxygen to our
Heart and lungs.
heart. Okay, so heart is our pump. Okay, so in our body, the motor is which pumps the blood to all over the body, that is heart.
Heart.
Yes, heart. So where is your heart located?
Teacher, in chest.
In chest region, but where? Near your shoulder?
No, teacher. Left side.
Left side of
In
what?
chest, left side.
In chest, in between the lungs. How many lungs you have? How many lungs do you have? 2 lungs. How many heart do you have?
Teacher, one.
1 heart. Okay, so human heart is located in between the lungs and it is in left side. See, if you place your hand on your chest, can you feel dhak 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 dhak?
Yes,
Just
teacher.
place your hand. Just place
Yes,
your
teacher.
hand. Okay, so that is what heart is located in the
Heart.
left side and it is little bit tilted. ऐसा थोड़ा टेढ़ा होके situated है. Okay, it is tilted towards left side. Okay, and do you know the size of our heart?
No, teacher.
So our heart is, or it has the size of our fist. Fist means मुट्ठी. हमारा मुट्ठी कितना है उतना है किसका size? Heart का size.
Left side.
Okay. So wait, I will share you the screen. So see, like this, our heart is situated. Okay, it is situated in the chest region and it is located in between the 2 lungs. And it is little bit tilted to left side. Okay, so now I will show you one video. Just watch it. Watch it carefully.
No,
Your,
इधर टिकरा नहीं है.
it's a
Yes,
muscular
yes.
organ about the size of your fist and is located slightly left of center in your chest.
तो टिकरा
It's
दे.
divided into
Now
the
can
right
you
and
see?
left side. The division protects
Yes, teacher.
oxygen-rich blood from mixing
So
with
say like this,
oxygen-poor
our
blood.
heart is heart
Together, your
pumps.
heart and blood vessels comprise your cardiovascular system, which circulates blood and oxygen around your body. In fact, your heart pumps about 5 quarts of blood every minute, and it beats about 100,000 times in one day. That's about 35 million times in a year. Oxygen-poor blood, blue blood, returns to the heart after circulating through your body. The right side of the heart, composed of the right atrium and ventricle, collects and pumps the blood to the lungs through the pulmonary arteries. The lungs refresh the blood with a new supply of oxygen, making it turn red. Oxygen-rich blood, red blood, then enters the left side of the heart, composed of the left atrium and ventricle, and is pumped through the aorta to the body to supply tissues with oxygen. 4 valves within your heart keep your blood moving the right way. The tricuspid, mitral, pulmonary, and aortic valves work like gates on a fence. They open only one way and only when pushed on. Each valve opens and closes once per heartbeat, or about once every second. A beating heart contracts and relaxes. Contraction is called systole, relaxing is called diastole.
Okay, so like this, our heart contracts and relax. Okay, when it relaxes, it receives impure blood from our body part. Impure blood means the blood which carry carbon dioxide. Okay, हमारे blood में ऐसा भी blood vessels है जिसमें carbon dioxide है. Okay, so the heart, what it will do when it relax, जब वो relax position में है, it receive this impure blood. Impure blood means the blood which carries carbon dioxide. Okay, फिर ये blood from this heart it will goes to lungs. आपको इतना detail में नहीं पढ़ना है. It is not given in your textbook, but I'm just explaining for your knowledge. Okay, ये heart में ऐसा process होता है. Okay, so our heart will receive impure blood, that is the blood which contains carbon dioxide. Okay, and ये blood ये heart से it will goes to lungs. जब lungs में जाएगा alveoli में
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Okay, 1 second. Now
आपकी आवाज नहीं.
can you hear me now? Yes, Ali Hassan, can you hear me now? Yes, Ali Hassan. Ali Hassan, can you hear me now?
Yes, teacher. Teacher network चले गया था.
हाँ, okay. So, what our heart will do? Our heart will receive impure blood. Impure blood means which carries carbon dioxide. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. तो ये जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाला ब्लड है, हार्ट विल ट्रांसपोर्ट और हार्ट विल पंप्स दिस ब्लड टू लंग्स. ओके, तो ये जो इम्प्योर ब्लड है ये हार्ट में से किधर जाएगा? इट विल गोज टू लंग्स. तो लंग्स में एल्वियोलाई में क्या होता है? वी डिस्कस्ड इन द लास्ट लेक्चर. एल्वियोलाई में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को क्या होता है? एल्वियोलाई में हाँ
ब्रांचेस रहती छोटी.
हाँ, तो एल्वियोलाई में ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को क्या होता है?
देती है.
हाँ,
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को.
क्या
They
होता है?
release carbon dioxide.
Okay,
They release carbon dioxide.
so in alveoli, what happens? Gas exchange of gases will takes place. Okay, तो जो हार्ट में जो ब्लड है which contains carbon dioxide, it will pumps to lungs. तो ये lungs में क्या है? alveoli. here the exchange of gases takes place. मतलब ये जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है वो एल्वियोलाई में जाएंगे और जो एल्वियोलाई में जो ऑक्सीजन है वो ये ब्लड में मिक्स हो जाएगा. सो ये इम्प्योर ब्लड क्या हो जाएगा? इट बिकम्स प्योर ब्लड. ओके, दिस इम्प्योर ब्लड विल बिकम प्योर ब्लड. प्योर ब्लड मतलब ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड. समझा? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, teacher.
First, heart, what heart will do? Heart will release, heart will receive impure blood. Impure blood मतलब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड. ये ब्लड फिर हार्ट से किधर जाएगा? हार्ट विल ट्रांसपोर्ट दिस और हार्ट विल पंप्स दिस ब्लड टू विच पार्ट?
Teacher, full body.
नो, हमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड चाहिए.
No, teacher.
सो हार्ट ये ब्लड को किधर पंप करेगा? लंग्स में. क्योंकि लंग्स में क्या है?
Teacher, carbon dioxide.
लंग्स में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है.
No, teacher, oxygen.
ऑक्सीजन. ओके, तो ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाला ब्लड लंग्स में जाएगा और उधर एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस टेक्स प्लेस. मतलब एल्वियोलाई से ऑक्सीजन ये ब्लड में मिक्स होएगा और जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है वो एल्वियोलाई में जाएगा. ओके, अभी हमारा ब्लड में क्या है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, ऑक्सीजन है.
तो दोनों है.
हाउ एक्सचेंज हुआ ना एल्वियोलाई में?
Oxygen, oxygen.
ऑक्सीजन. तो दिस ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड इट विल कम अगेन बैक टू हार्ट. ओके, वो हार्ट से फिर लंग में से फिर से हार्ट में वापस आएगा. अभी हमारे पास ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड है, तो व्हाट हार्ट विल डू? हार्ट विल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. हार्ट श्रिंक होएगा, छोटा हो जाएगा और ये ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड पूरा बॉडी में पंप होएगा. दिस इज द प्रोसेस हैपेंस इन आवर हार्ट. समझा? Yes, Ali. Did you
Yes,
understand?
teacher.
Yes. So can you explain what is the process happen in our heart?
टीचर, जो सांस लेगी वो हाथ से पंप होके पूरा ऑक्सीजन जाएगी और फिर जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रहेगी वो हाथ पंप करेगा और वो बाहर निकल जाएगी नोज से.
लेकिन कैसे? कैसे बाहर निकल जाएंगे?
टीचर, जो लंग्स होता है उसमें एक्सचेंज होगा.
एक्सचेंज होता है. ओके, तो ये
फिर
जनरल.
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर निकल जाएगी.
ओके, सो हार्ट क्या करता है? हार्ट इज प्यूरिफाइंग आवर ब्लड. प्यूरिफाइंग मतलब इट
साफ कर देता है.
वो हार्ट क्या करता है? वो जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है वो रिमूव करके ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड को पंप करता है. ओके, so the blood carries the oxygen obtained from the air and the energy giving substances in our food to all parts of the body. Okay, so ये blood, हमारा blood क्या करता है? It carries the oxygen obtained from the air and the energy giving substances. Energy giving substances मतलब nutrients. Nutrients को it supplies these nutrients to all parts of the body. तो इसके लिए क्या चाहिए? ब्लड वेसल्स चाहिए एंड हार्ट चाहिए. ओके, सो द प्रोसेस ऑफ कीपिंग द ब्लड फ्लोइंग थ्रू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी इज कॉल्ड ब्लड सर्कुलेशन. तो दिस इज ब्लड सर्कुलेशन. व्हाट इज ब्लड सर्कुलेशन? व्हाट आवर हार्ट्स डू? आवर हार्ट, इट विल पंप्स ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड
Oxygen in our body.
and it also transport nutrients to all parts of the body. So in our body the blood is continuously flowing. ऐसा कुछ है कि रात को हम जब सोते हैं the blood will stop flowing? Will the blood
No,
stop
teacher,
flowing?
चालू रहता है.
हाँ,
जब ब्लड फ्लोइंग चालू रहता है.
हाँ, so it will never stop. Okay, blood flowing will never stop. So the process of keeping the blood flowing to all parts of the body is called blood circulation. So write the last point in your notebook. What is blood circulation? Can you see?
तो लास्ट में लिखा हुआ है the process of keeping the blood flowing, वो वाला.
That one. What is blood circulation? The process of keeping the blood flowing through all parts of the body is called blood circulation. Yes, Bhavya. Bhavya, can you hear me?
Finish.
Okay, so what is blood circulation?
Flowing blood.
Process
It's
of
called
keeping the blood flowing through all parts of the body is called blood circulation.
circulation.
So there is a network of blood vessels. Blood vessels का network है which carries the blood to heart and carries the blood from heart to other body parts. Okay, blood vessel से दो तरह के blood vessels है जो body में से blood heart में लेके आता है purification के लिए and then heart में से blood purify किया हुआ blood body parts में लेके जाता है. So there are two types of blood vessels. Okay, so there is a network of blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart and those that bring blood back to the heart. That point also you write. Second point.
The second one.
हाँ, second one. Blood circulation के साथ ही लिखो. A network that consists of tubes or vessels that carry blood away from the heart and those that bring blood back to the heart is spread throughout the body. इसका मतलब इतना ही है, there is a network, there are network of vessels. Okay, so when you go to higher classes, you will learn which is the blood vessel which carry blood to heart and which is the blood vessel which carry blood from heart to other body parts. So there are two types of blood vessels, arteries है, veins है. Artery मतलब जो heart में से oxygen rich blood पूरा body part में लेके जाता है, एंड वेन मतलब जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड है वो हार्ट में लेके आता है. So in your textbook it is not mentioned. So when you go to higher classes you will study in detail. Okay, now just understand what is blood circulation and how this blood circulation is carried out. Okay, so now we'll learn what is meant by circulatory system. What is meant by circulatory system? Okay, तो हमने देखा हार्ट है, हार्ट के साथ और कौन है? नेटवर्क ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स. Okay, the heart and the network of blood vessels together form the circulatory system. Understand? Respiratory system में क्या क्या होता है? What are the organs present in respiratory system?
Each have been pipe, nose,
Yes, nose,
lungs, alveoli,
yes,
alveoli,
yes, very good.
bronchi.
Okay. Now, what are the organs present in digestive system?
Each a food pipe, mouth, teeth,
Yes.
tongue, and large intestine, big intestine, anus.
Okay. So, you should tell it in sequence wise. Okay. So first mouth will come, then food pipe, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, then anus. So, so you know what are the organs present in respiratory system and digestive system. So what are the organs present in circulatory system? So the circulatory system, it consists of heart and network of blood vessels. Okay, blood vessels का network और heart, ये दोनों मिला के कौन सा system होता है?
Circulatory system.
Circulatory system. And the process of blood circulation goes on continuously. ये circulatory system कभी भी stop नहीं होता है. So it will continuously goes on. Okay. Now next notebook में लिखो what is meant by circulatory system. नहीं तो circulatory system एक heading लिखो, उसके नीचे ये first जो मैं highlight कर रहा हूँ वो लिख दो. Circulatory system heading लिखो and then write the heart and the network of blood vessels together form the circulatory system. The heart and the network of blood vessels together form the circulatory system.
Yeah, finished.
Okay, so what is meant by circulatory system?
A network of blood vessels.
Main कौन है?
Circulatory.
हाँ?
मतलब heart.
The heart king है. So circulatory system में king कौन है? Heart है. पहला you have to tell about heart. You should mention heart. Then you have to tell network of blood vessels. Okay? Clear? Okay. So Listen, now we have learned about respiratory system, digestive system, and circulatory system. Okay. So, see, when you feel hungry, you will tell your mother, give something to it. I am very hungry, isn't it? So, how you comes to know that you are very hungry? आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि आपको भूख लग रहा है?
In our small intestine and our stomach.
हाँ, come on.
Were empty.
Okay. जब empty होता है तभी समझ में आता है कि you are hungry. Okay, leave it. देखो, last lecture में मैंने बोला when see something delicious food is kept in front of you. Okay, कुछ बिरयानी लेके रखा है सामने, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके मुंह में क्या आएगा?
Saliva.
सलाइवा आएगा. तो ये सलाइवा को कैसे पता चलता है, या सलाइवा किधर से आता है? Which gland produce saliva?
Salivary gland.
Salivary gland. Okay. So ये salivary gland को कैसे पता चलता है कि ये सलाइवा अभी प्रोड्यूस करना है? How salivary gland comes to know that saliva should
When the nose.
Huh?
When our eyes, when our nose will smell the.
Okay. Okay.
Smell of the food.
Okay. तो हमारे बॉडी को कैसे पता चलता है कि ये फूड का स्मेल है?
Our brain.
Brain. Very good.
No.
Yes. तो ये सब कौन बताता है?
Brain.
So there is another system in our body where brain is the important organ. So can you tell me that system? Which is that system? Which is that system? Okay, no problem. I will show you. So can you see the image?
Yes.
Which system is this?
Circulatory system.
No. See the heading.
Nervous system.
Nervous system. Okay. So we know that there are so many systems in our body. Circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, सब है. लेकिन ये सब कौन कंट्रोल करता है? Who controls all the system? That is nervous system. Okay, nervous system controls all this system. So what is the function of nervous system? Maintaining coordination. Okay, coordination. Coordination means cooperation. Okay, देखो, जब respiration होता है तो ऑक्सीजन लंग्स में आ जाता है, तो बाद में किसका ड्यूटी है ये ऑक्सीजन सब पूरा बॉडी में लेके जाने का? किसका ड्यूटी है? Blood. Very good. So this both system are coordinating each other. वो दोनों के बीच में coordination है. तो because of this, all process, whatever process happening in our body, it goes smoothly. Okay. So ये coordination कौन maintain करता है? Which system maintain this coordination?
Heart. The blood vessels.
No.
Nervous system.
Nervous system. अभी देखो एक स्कूल है, स्कूल में स्टूडेंट से टीचर से, तो ये स्टूडेंट एंड टीचर सबको प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग के लिए कौन कंट्रोल कौन करता है?
Nervous system.
स्कूल में टीचर को भी कौन कंट्रोल करता है? प्रिंसिपल. यस. सो स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल कैसा है वैसा है हमारे बॉडी में नर्वस सिस्टम. Okay, nervous system, what it do, it maintain coordination. Coordination means paying attention to all the different functions. Principal क्या करता है, सबका ड्यूटीज देखता है, सब टीचर्स का ड्यूटीज देखता है, बच्चों कैसे है वो सब देखते हैं, isn't it? So like that, nervous system it maintain coordination, it pay attention to all the different functions and ensuring that they all occur at the right time, in the right manner. Okay, so nervous system में क्या क्या है? Nervous system, there is network that connects the brain with all the different parts of the body. जैसे सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में हार्ट एंड ब्लड वेसल से, इधर ब्रेन एंड नर्व से. नर्व्स मीन्स मतलब क्या? नर्व्स हिंदी में नर्व्स मतलब क्या है? नस से क्या नर्व्स? डू यू नो द हिंदी टर्म फॉर नर्व्स?
No, teacher.
नस है क्या? आई एम आस्किंग यू.
No, teacher.
नस नहीं है. वेट, लेट मी सर्च. ओके, सो नर्व्स. अभी देखो, आई आस्क यू टू क्लोज योर आईज. आंख बंद करने के लिए बोला, और अभी नहीं, जस्ट इमेजिन. ओके, और एक हाथ, मैंने आपके एक हाथ को ठंडे पानी में डुबाया और दूसरे हाथ को गर्म पानी में डुबाया. तो बिना देखे, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड which one is hot water and which one is cold water?
No, teacher.
नो, बिना देखे नहीं बता सकता है कौन सा गर्म पानी है, कौन सा ठंडा पानी है.
तो बता सकते हैं.
बता सकता है. सो हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? कैसे पॉसिबल है? अभी देखो, आपका आंख बंद किया और मैंने आपको एक चॉकलेट दिया और उसके साथ करेला का जूस भी दिया. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? करेले का जूस दिया तो क्या करेंगे? कंफ्यूज होता है. ओके, सो नाउ राइट दिस नर्वस सिस्टम. ओके, कंफ्यूजन होता है.